everyone! We have arrived at Yosemite National Park! And we are at the Wawona area, the southern part of the park. And here's the gate. Oh, yeah. Ooh, tunnel rock, tunnel rock. So today we're doing a camping, right? First time camping Yosemite.
Yeah.
It's very hard to find campground here. And we're lucky because we have a Sunday, Monday off. So I found a campground that's open last minute.
So many people leaving the park.
Yeah. Yeah, and the temperature is gonna be cold. Outside it's really cold. Yeah, it's only like 40 something degrees.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like 30 degree Fahrenheit at nighttime. It's gonna be cold.
It's good.
Yeah, there's two of us. We're gonna do some hiking today. Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall, two large waterfall. And then we're gonna do the what is it called? Mariposa Grove, Sequoia Grove. Yeah, tomorrow. Arrive at the Happy Owl place. We walk from the trail parking lot. It's a short walk to the nature center here, and there's like arts and crafts and his natural history stuff. So we're gonna just check it out before we head on to the Nevada Fall Mist Fall Trail and the John Muir Trail. Right? John Muir Trail is actually the trail that John Muir take. You can go to. It's 200 miles. You can. At least 200 miles. You can go to Mount Whitney, the highest mountain in the continent of America. Yeah. So super nice weather, very cold.
Hopefully it will warm up.
Yeah.
As we hike.
Right, arrived at Happy Owl Nature Center. That cute little cabin underneath the granite stone. Happiest island on earth. Let's go. Oh, it's a little gift shop. Little museum. Oh, that park. We didn't bring ours. We're inside the museum, so the bear can like bend the door of the car.
Even recognize ice chest in grocery.
Here's a bear right above us. Black bear. Cute little cub. And there's an animal exhibit. We finished the Happy Owl Nature Center. Now I'm gonna head on to Mist Trail. Gonna see Vernal Fall and Nevada Fall. And then on the way back, we'll walk the John Muir Trail part of it back. It's one of the most popular trails in Yosemite. Well, I've never done it before. Have you?
No.
First time. Excited.
So many people.
Yeah. So Happy Owl is like this little island. Used to be what is that for? Used to be fishery.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like,
Used to be fishery. Now it's like nature center. And there's a rock fall in 1996. And then the rock created like an air blast and destroyed so many trees. And the tree killed some hiker and destroyed the nature center. The air. It's crazy. So they're surrounded by these granite rocks that are formed by molten lava.
we're working on something.
And in between the rocks there's like cracks and water get in there and plants grow in it, expand, and you can have rock fall even on the strongest rocks. Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。